Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Thanks so much for having me out here to take a look at your gutters, possibly do some gutter protection. I thought I'd film this quick video to kind of do a property inspection. I can basically walk around the house with you. I can explain what I'm finding. As you can see, we use video to more effectively communicate with our clients. We specialize in exterior home maintenance, so it starts from roof cleaning, roof tune-ups, roof rejuvenation, gutter cleaning, gutter services such as maintenance, repairs, replacement, gutter cleaning, house washing, window cleaning, brick paver cleaning. So mentioned here that you had some sort of leakage going on in your pavers, causing some damage. I think that this is one of the spots here, being that your gutters are original to the home. Over time, the sealant that is used to make sure that these three seams do not leak, over time dry out, and they need to be retuned up. Now, it's not completely necessary for all of your gutter seams to be resealed and retuned up, unless it's, you know, leaking in an area that bothers you or could cause a potential issue. So that would be something that we can definitely reseal for you. There's a good way to do it, a best way to do it, and then there's a not so good way to do it. Some people think that you can just spray like spray and seal type products on there, but if you don't properly clean it, do the prep work, put the work in before you on there, it's not going to work well for you. So when we do your gutter cleaning, we're going to take all that debris off your roof in all areas. And wanted to point out a couple of areas, stay on the subject of gutters. So over time, what can happen is this elbow here that's letting water out of this gutter section here can prematurely fail the roof and the subfloor underneath the roofing. So what is best suggested here, if this is something you like for us to do, we can help you out, but put a downspout all the way from that gutter there all the way to the lower portion here, and that way it'll keep the water that drains away from this gutter off of your roof and into that gutter there, and basically you'll just continue on where the water is supposed to go underground. Now, you do have underground drains on your property. So our gutter cleaning includes everything that's attached to your house, your downspout here, and all of your gutters. We do offer a separate service to flush out if there's anything in your underground drains. We don't know that that is an issue right now until we get your gutters cleaned. Generally, underground drain flushing is not a necessity or something that's needed. So after we clean your gutters, flush your downspouts, we'll go from there. But what I like to remind my clients is these gutter downspouts here, they're kind of like your sink. When you're rinsing out your dishes, you don't let big vegetables and stuff go down your drain because it could clog your drain, and then you have to do all that plumbing stuff. So a lot of people don't think about their gutters as a way to stop stuff from going down the downspouts and the underground drains before it even becomes a problem. So that's something you want to consider. We do offer solutions for that. So the proposal you see below includes lots of different packages for different services. So you called me out here to get your gutters cleaned primarily, and to potentially consider a gutter protection option. So I'm going to give you a quote for some different types of gutter protection. Each gutter protection includes a specific video to help you make an educated decision on what protection makes most sense for you and your family. But while I'm here, I'm documenting some of the other services that we can help you with in the future. On this side of your roof, it's the north side, you're starting to get the development of moss and lichen. This can prematurely fail your roof. You mentioned your home is about 17 years old. Once a home gets this age, you're going to want to start doing some maintenance on your shingles, kind of like you would your deck or your driveway. You seal it up to help preserve the life of your investment. Just like your shingles, instead of waiting for a leak to happen or for your shingles to dry up and be reactive, oh hey, it's time to replace the roof, you can now clean your roof. You can do a tune-up. Leak prone areas was definitely suggested, and in valleys and all that. And then you can do a conditioning treatment from a company called Roof Max. This extends the life of your roof by another 5 years to help preserve the life of your shingle, help them expand and contract. If you'd like to know more about this product, I can send you some videos, some information, get you a quote for it. But take a look at the packages down below for just gutter cleaning, gutter protection, and we look forward to helping you. Now in the future, if you'd like to consider window cleaning, we can help you there. We do a special water filtration, filtered purified water. We clean from the ground, no ladders, and come out super clean. You're going to be super happy with the way we clean your windows and wash your side. So any questions you have about our service, please don't hesitate to give me a call on my personal cell. You can reach me at 815-520-6020. Thanks so much. Take care.